Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find and delete all viruses on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to general. From here, you will find the option of VPN and device management. Now if you find any unknown profile over here, just tap on it and select remove profile. Now just enter your lock screen passcode and select remove. Now after you remove the profiles from here, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just go to apps and from here just tap on Safari. Now just tap on advanced, then tap on website data. At the bottom of this page, you will find the option of remove all website data. Now just tap on remove all website data and select remove. Now after you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Files app. Now in the Files app, just tap on Browse, then select Downloads. Now in the Downloads section, just check for any files which you do not recognize. Now the files could be a zip file, a PDF, or any file which you do not recognize. Now just tap and hold on the file and tap on Delete. Just like that. Now after that, just tap on Browse and select Recently Deleted. And from here, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Select. Now just tap on Delete All. Now just select Delete. And this is how you can find and delete all viruses on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.